What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you on rails for Black Mous. Now, I'm already half done to this, but while I'm doing the second half, I'll explain essentially what you need to do. So for this mission, we need to chase and get onto the trains in order to do them. The first, we need to kill 8 enemies while on the cargo train, and the second one, we need to kill 8 enemies while on the passenger train. Now, there are 2 trains that head around the map in opposite directions in this new update, or rather, Season 2. The one that heads counterclockwise that I'm heading directly towards now should be the passenger train, as far as I understand. The one that heads clockwise is the cargo train. The passenger train is the green one. If I unmark this, we should see. There we go. This is the passenger train, and there's a person on top of it. That's not good. Essentially, we need to get on these and wait for them to travel around the map, finishing AI as we go. Now, obviously, this is the worst possible place that I could be, as there are definitely players in here, but anyways, or maybe I could just handle them, that works too. Essentially, what we need to do is either finish players on the train or off the train. Just as long as we're on the train, game-ending players or AI, these kills should count. So for example, I've got 2 out of 8, 1 from a player and 1 from AI. So usually what you'll do is you'll wait for the train to pass nearby areas that have bots in them, which is practically anywhere on the map. Just make sure you keep your eyes peeled, as there are other players on the map, and obviously they don't want you around. So for example, coming through Rohan Oil here, we should find some players or AI nearby and be able to finish them off as we pass through. I think the best place to be would probably be on top of here, giving us better vision of not just around the train, but also on the train if someone decides to hop on. The best thing to do in this case is to sit on the train and wait for it to go all the way around so it meets the other train heading in the other direction. You can easily do 8 kills one way and 8 kills the other way on both of the trains. Once again, the one heading counterclockwise is the passenger train. Already going only about a quarter of the way through the map, we're already sitting at 5 out of 8 kills, which is great. Now, this may be a bit dumb, but I'm hopping off to go loot. I'm hoping this is good. Now, at the point where the trains are coming to here, obviously it may be different for you. The trains will cross paths, and that's where you'll hop across from the roof of one to the roof of the other, loot whatever's left, and of course, get the other kills going the other way around the map. It's a very simple mission to do, just as long as you understand which one's which going around the map. They're always heading in that same direction, so assuming you're looking for one and not the other, just remember which way around they go. This is of course the cargo train that's coming past now, very obviously different from the passenger train. There we go. Approaching it once more, it'll pass through Akdar village, which is another hotspot for AI and a great place to get all of the AI kills that we need. And of course this thing slows down here as well, so it would probably be even more beneficial to take some cover. And there we go, mission complete on rails. So, thank you all for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.